Do you or someone you know snores terribly at night? If that is the case, chances are you need an effective method or methods to help you banish your snoring problem so that you can start sleeping peacefully. But here's the problem. Finding an effective snoring solution is not always easy. This is because snoring is caused by a myriad of factors, and so what works for you may not necessarily work for another person. With that said, we have put together a free snoring test that you can do to determine what exactly is causing you to snore. Once you find out the type of snorer you are, then you can find the best solution for your unique case. And you can find a link to the snoring test in the description below this video. And while you're at it, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now with that said, what are some methods proven to reduce or completely stop snoring? The first and simplest thing to do is to start sleeping on your side. At first, this position may feel a bit uncomfortable and you may find yourself rolling over on your stomach or back. However, if you master sleeping on your side, you can pretty much stop 75% of your snoring. Because when you sleep on your side, your tongue doesn't fall back in your throat, and as a result, your airflow isn't compromised. So sleeping on your side is a great way to prevent snoring without spending money on a snoring device that you may not need. Additionally, you can also place a pillow between your legs for maximum comfort. Now the second thing you can do is to try and clear your blocked nostrils. You see, a great number of people who snores do so because their nostrils are blocked, and as such, air cannot pass through efficiently. The best remedy for this is to try and clear your nostrils before you go to bed. Now here are a few tips to clear your stuffy nose. It may take one or a combination to fully clear your nostrils, so don't be afraid to try several of them. Number 1. Take a hot shower just before bed. This is one of the easiest things that you can do to clear your nostrils. The steam from the shower helps to thin out the mucus in your nose and reduce inflammation. You'll need to spend at least 5 minutes just letting the water run over you. Plus, the added benefit is that you'll feel much more relaxed, which will give you a better night's sleep. Number 2 is to use peppermint. Now there are 2 ways you can use peppermint to clear your stuffy or blocked nose. You can drink the peppermint tea, and a bonus would be inhaling the steam of the tea as well. And you can also use peppermint oil directly. The oil is very strong, and inhaling the fumes every few minutes can provide great relief to your stuffy nose. Another way to reduce or completely stop your snoring is to use a proven anti-snoring device. There are quite a number of devices on the market, and a good number of them don't work as they should. However, you can check out www.byebysnoring.com to see the top products we have recommended. Some of the top devices are mainly mouth guards that you can place inside your mouth while you're sleeping. The objective of these devices is to hold your tongue in place so that it doesn't fall back in your throat and block your airflow. Some of these devices are designed in such a way that you can talk and even breathe properly while wearing them. Again, you have to know the main cause of your snoring in order to choose the right device for your unique case. So make sure to check out our free snoring test in the description below this video. And that's it for this video, guys. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video to provide you with more tips to help you finally say bye-bye to snoring for good.